Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to get more coins fast in solo leveling, Arise, so you can upgrade your gear, buy skills, and keep leveling up without getting stuck. First off, complete daily missions. These give a steady amount of coins every time you log in and finish them. Next, clear story quests and Jiu-Me monster extermination missions. They often reward a solid amount of coins, especially on higher difficulty levels. Don't miss out on limited time events. Many of them include coin bonuses for logging in or completing special tasks. Here's a pro tip. Sell unwanted gear and materials at the shop. Even low-tier items can add up over time and give you extra coins with no extra grinding. Also, run dungeons and raids regularly. The more you play, the more coins you'll collect from enemy drops and mission rewards. So should you feel low on coins? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, play smart, and keep upgrading your build. Let me know in the comments how many coins you're farming each day and what you're spending them on. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.